Alright, so we have a American Standard Danco pressure balancing valve, shower constant dripping, so we're going to be replacing the pressure balancing valve. And we're going to see the assemblation. We've already taken it apart, but unscrew the handle, take that out, take the discussion plate off, which we're going to go and show you how to do this. Alright, so pop the plate off. Now you have your screws. Go ahead and take the screws out of the discussion plate. Pull that off. And now you're going to see the valve itself. You're going to use a flathead. Take the cartridge out. And then behind the cartridge is going to be the pressure balancing valve. Typically it's just a cartridge replacement. When a shower is constantly dripping or running, it won't turn off. This one right here, we've already taken the cartridge, didn't fix it. So now we're doing the pressure balancing valve, and it has a lot of calcium on it. Now we have turned the main off, and we'll open the hose bib outside and also the bathtub to bleed down the pressure. So there's the pressure balancing cartridge, this is just the cartridge, not the pressure balancing valve. And then now I need the needle nose. This is going to be the pressure balancing valve. It has a collar on it as well that you need to take off. 3 flathead screws. Collar comes right out. Set that to the side. Make sure you don't lose your screws in the drain. And this is the pressure balancing valve. And use your flathead to easily remove the top bonnet. And then this one has so much calcium that you have to use the needle nose. Pull it straight out. There's calcium all stuck inside. The valves are not turning off anymore. So there's that. Hand me a towel again. So first thing you want to do is inspect the valve itself inside. Make sure there's no calcium in the hot and cold. And the valve body is not scored. This one does have a lot of calcium out of it. So you do want to wire brush with a wire brush, and just go in, wire brush any of the calcium that's stuck in there. Take your cloth, make sure you wipe out all the calcium that you can. This one's really old, so has a lot of hardness of water in it. Your area will determine how hard your water is. In this area there is hard water. Alright, we're inspecting it. Everything looks good. The new one. This is the brand new one. It comes all together. The old one was broken. So this is a brand new one. I'm going to face this where the big hole is pointing up. And I'm going to slide that directly in so it fits the holes. We have already put faucet grease on it as well, so it slides in easily. Now you have that line back up. You want to put your collar back on. Make sure you don't drop your screws. And then we're just going to tighten in a uniform step by step, tighten a little bit, tighten the next one a little bit until the gasket is seated. See how it's sucking it in? And you're not forcing the valve or anything.
Yeah. End up breaking something in
The wall. Now we have that all tight. That one's all good. Held with the gasket. Next thing is we're going to put our cartridge back on. Same thing. Has those O-rings on it. Make sure they line up correctly. Take a flathead. Same thing, tighten little by little so the valve is snug. These are held on with gaskets, so no reason to over tighten these at all. You will crack or break the plastic housing. So that's why I say just tighten little by little as you go all the way around. Make sure everything's snug. Now that we have everything snug, we can go turn the water on, check for leaks. Gasket's all sealed. Alright, now we're going to turn the water on. Also a good time to make sure the valve is on or off. It was on, so we're going to turn it off so we can make sure our handle's set up. Alright, that'll be all the way on and off. I like to turn it on cold and hot to blow out any trash that may be in the line from cleaning it. Also, we have the bathtub on hot and cold as well, so it'll blow any trash out. I also have the shower head off right now, so we can make sure there's no drip once we turn the shower cartridge or the shower valve off. And we're just waiting on that. Oh, there we go. We got water coming. And this should stop dripping. Alright, as you can see, we have no leaks. So, valve is together, gaskets are together, no leaking out of it. Also no drips out of the shower anymore. So we'll go ahead and reassemble the discussion plate. Which is the first thing you do is put the discussion plate back on. This one has multiple holes, it's universal. It's an American Standard, so we're gonna look in here, make sure we line the holes up. Make sure the holes line up on this one.